Hello, so welcome to my YouTube channel again. So this is the second problem on a lead code. So this is related to a disjoint data set, a data structure that I have discussed in last video. Uh, so in last video, I have solved one problem which is directly you can apply the DSU algorithm. That was the I think disconnect count the number of connected component in a disjoint in undirected graph using a disjoint data structure algorithm. Okay, so that's I have covered in last video how we will apply that algorithm. So that was the like a direct approach, and whatever the algorithm I have explained in the DSU concept that I have applied in a code directly. So this problem I have picked because I feel like it's more interesting, like little twisted. It not directly, but if you read the problem statement carefully, then you can get it how you can apply the DSU in that problem and solve it very easily. So let's jump into the problem statement. So I like definitely say if you haven't watched my DSU concept video, you must watch first if you revise your DSU concept algorithm, how it's work and where it fit. I will attach that video link in this video also, so that you can click on the icon box and you can go to that link and you can watch that from there. So let's, before wasting time, let's jump into the problem statement first and read together, then we will solve together. Okay, so yeah, again you can just just search on a Google and you get the problem statement. You can try with yourself, and you can get this problem on LeetCode or on LeetCode. LeetCode is it's like seems like a replica of the LeetCode with a selected problem. You can either try in either website platform. Okay, so let me read the problem here. So both are the same problem, but platform are different. And so let read the problem. Platform doesn't matter. Okay, so let's. So given a list of accounts where each element, account I is a list of a string, where the first element, account uh, I0 is the name, and rest element is the email representing the account. Okay, so for account at any index, first element is the name and rest of all its elements is the representing emails of that account associated with that account. Okay, so now we would like to merge these account. Two account definitely belong to the same person if there is a some common email in both accounts. Note that even if two accounts have same name, they belong to the different person, as people they could have a same name. Okay, and a person can have any number of accounts initially, but all their account definitely have a same name. Okay, so after merging accounts, return the account in a following format. So first element of each account is a name, and rest element is are the emails in sorted order. Okay, accounts themselves can be written at any order. So let's understand this huge paragraph with the simple example one, so that you get it easily. So there are a given accounts, and each index of this account represent an one account. This is one, this is a second account, this is third account, this is fourth account. Maybe belong to the same person, maybe belong to the different person. And if it belong to the same person more than one account, then we need to merge that. And merging condition is email should be like one of either email should be same in both account. Okay, so if you see this, neat is the account name and neat@gmail.com is a email of associated with this account. Similarly, neat DSA is the means for this account. This is the list of email that belong to this account. Okay, similarly, this is the list of email that belong to the this account, and this is the list of email that belong to this account. Similarly, this one. Okay, but if you see uh, first and means zeroth index and second index, first and third. Okay, if you see neat and neat is common, right? So means this account and this account is same. We can merge it into single one. And for any other, you don't see any common email, right? So if you see the result, neat, which is the first name, and if you merge it, Bob is the like in sorted order, it come first, right? So it will be the first one. Second is the neat, and third is the neat DSA. So you have merged this. If I point out this and this, if you merge this, you get the unique email Bob, Nate, and Neat DSA for this single account. And the rest is Alice with Alice Gmail that doesn't match to any other account, so it will be single one. And similarly, Neat plus Neat code DSA, neatcode@gmail.com. So if you see, there is a relationship only between the account, like email means two account will be a same. You get it? Two account will be a same when email of any of email get match to other account. So uh, that's the key point. Okay, so how will you do that? uh, for each account, if you see that the if I present at account, each account will be represented with the index, account index. Okay, name can be duplicate, name doesn't matter. Okay, name can be same or not, but for two account have same name doesn't mean it belong to the same person. Okay, there is no statement in the problem that say account will be the belonging to same if account name is same. That no error mentioned, right? Only account will be same when email one, any of email that account uh, is same to the other. Okay, so that the condition is based on only email. So if you see how we will approach this problem, so let me remember this one. Let me just remove this word, reset this one. Okay, so that you can get it. Remove this one. I have solved this problem in last video, so let me just remove all this one, keep only this one, remove this one also. Okay, so I will explain this, how will you do that. So let me just copy it here, and what it says how will you do that. Okay, first of all, for each email I will create a mapping, right? How, so that at any point I will get whether it any email is already associated with any other account or not. How I will know that, right? So suppose if you take a first account at zeroth index, no one, no other email, no account exists before it, right? But what I will do, I will first uh, let me just copy it here from neat, and I will map it to the account which at 0th index. Okay, similarly for need DSA, I will map to the 0th index. Means it both email is belonging to the same account which is at a 0th index, means first account. Okay, and if you iterate like second, that is the Alice. When you go to the Alice, and if you see Alice doesn't present before it, right? But and it belong to the second account. So let me copy it. Okay, so it belong to the account at first index. And if you go to the Bob, I will go to the each account email one by one and check whether it already present in any account before it or not. Okay, so Bob doesn't exist before, so it will get mapped to the second account. But when you visit the net Gmail again, if you see it is already present, means account first means 0th index, first account and second account is same because one of email is same. So I will get what I will take a union, right, of these two account. So I will apply the union. When I will see email is already visited, means present to that any account is earlier, then just apply the union with the account in which is it when it is present with the current index, means current account which is the at second index. Take a union. Okay, and then go to the last account which is the neat code email @gmail.com. Then it doesn't appear before, then we copy it and paste it here, and it belong to the uh, third, right? So if you say take a union 0 and 2 and 0 and 2 get merged, how you just apply the union of these account index, not a element email address. Okay, so once you visited all the accounts email in last, what I will do, I have 0 to whatever the size of account, like to the n minus 1. Let's say size it of account total account is n. You get it? How you get it? Just account dot size. Okay, so from 0 to n minus 1, that the account I will check for each account, for each for each ith account, I will find out parent, whether it like parent is like someone else or a particular index itself. Okay, so for 0th index it is 0 because it's pointing to itself. So you just add into a set these email need code and need code DSA, and for Alice you will add once you get index 2 and you find out you have already applied the union. You if you find out the parent of 2 which give the 0, we have taken already have applied the union between 0 and 2 because it is a common one. So for 0 you will just map all its email, merge all its email to the this one. Okay, so this is the way you can find out. So you are applying the union between the accounts. So it will from go to the from 0 to the n minus 1, where n is the total number of accounts. Okay, let's take another problem. uh, if you see this one, and this is the simple one, right? No one, both email is same, then is it same or not? Com and co, both are different. So that zeroth index and first index account is different, not in same, because both have different email. So that's why answer would have two results. Okay, two accounts, two different accounts. So let's apply this algorithm. How we will do? First, what I will need to do, we are merging account, right? So merging account, so be a total number of account that's define its parent array size, right? So int and parent equal to new. Let me find out the size, and is equal to the account dot size, that give the total number of account, and two account will get merged if one of email associated to that account is same to the other. Okay, so I also need a rank for the union by rank, optimize the DSU. Okay, so what I other things needed, I also needed for each account, I needed index, means account index to which this email is already associated, so that I can check. Okay, so what I needed, s map string, with that give the email, and integer, that is the value which will tell us the account index for which this email will be, an email will be associated. Okay, so new passmap. Okay, so let's just starting just count it. How I will count it? I will start from 0 to n. Okay, so what I will do, let me just first I will define the required function of DSU, private int find parent, and where it would require the parent array and vertex. So if parent u not equal to u, what I just recursively go to its parent until its index get same to the its parent. Okay, so find out parent and this parent, and last just return the parent value. So this is the one operation of the DSU, and second is the union, where the this find parent is required, union of u and int b. You can take any variable, just as usual I define int rank. Okay, so what I will do, first I will first I will find out parent of both vertexes or both element. Okay, so just pass it parent, what I needed u, right? Similarly, just copy it. Same I will required for the v, correct? At the b, and v. If both parent is same, means they belong to the same group. Don't need to merge, right? Already merged. Return it from here. If sorry, if rank, if parent is different, then we need to find out which uh, smaller tree need to uh, link with the larger tree, right? Larger group, smaller group need to merge with the larger group, so that here I require the rank. So this is I have already covered in uh, DSU concept video. You can watch. I will attach that video link in this video. Okay, you can just click on that, you can get it. So if we, so if rank of this one is greater than, means this is larger group and this is smaller, then make the parent of pp to up. Okay, attaching the small smaller to the larger. Else if, where it will be the up belong to the vp, is means both have same rank, then we can attach to anyone. Okay, but keep in mind, when you are attaching to making parent to the up, then you also need to increase the rank of up by one. Okay, so that's the DSU main to these two function. And now what I will need, I will required account uh, account dot get. So that give the this list, array list. Okay, so first I will require to iterate from j equal to 1. I only need email at this time, right? Not a name. So I will require from j equal to 1 to the account dot size. That's it, correct? J plus plus. What I as I have explained here. So for each email, first I will check. What I will check, I will let me find out uh, index, correct? That will be, if it already emails dot get or default, what account dot get at jth index, that's the email, either -1 if doesn't present. If email not present, what it is written, -1 default value, right? Means email is not present, then just update dot put, what I need to put, this email with this index. What is the index? I, right? Means this email is belong to the this account index, that tell by this index, right? And else means that is already present, means we need to merge this account, means ith account, to the whatever the index we get. So take a union of index and I, correct, and pass the parent and rank. Okay, after iterating all the account and for all account and email of all account, then all the associated, means all the account that belong to the same, that belong to the, that need to be merged, is already handled by the union. Okay, so that this is where I have mentioned, when you get the email already visited, means already belong to the any account earlier, then you have take a union. So I have a union. What I need to do? So I need to do I required for each account. I just need to merge now, right? I have already merged, but I just need to merge this email. I have just merged the account index, right? Means which account is like grouped with the any other account. So once we have a grouped account, then we just need to merge its email list. Okay. So I require the map where it will give the integer that give the account index, and for each account index I just need to merge its email list, right? So I can have a array list and set, but I need a sorted, right? For each account after merging I need a sorted order. If you see, once account get merged, need to return its email in sorted order. That's why I am taking the tree set. Okay. So merged account, just merged. You can name it whatever you want. Just so what I need as well, right? So what I will do, I will start from I is equal to 0 to the n for each account. First I will find out the parent, and what is the take it parent is parent, take the parent size, and for each account I will find out the parent, what is the parent of it, this account. Okay. And for each, what I need to do, I need to just copy it from here, paste it here. Okay. So let's we have which I have just for each account I have like parent of it, and that is the main account in which all the email will get merged. Okay. So merged dot compute, if this map function, if you absent. Okay. So that is the parent, and I will define the lambda function for the tree set, and new tree set dot add, what I will add, account dot get, which is the j, that gives the email. This will get all the email will get merged to its associated group. Okay. Once it's done, what you need to do, just define the whatever the answer return type, result, new array list. Okay. So what I need to do, I just need to iterate this merged hash map. Okay. So map dot entry, I am iterating key and value both. So I will require the same things. Okay. So entry, if you remember the hash in Java hash map, uh, iterating, that's the one syntax. One is iterative, that the entry hash map. So what I merge dot entry set, right? That's the method which give the key and value both. So what I need, first I will need to declare the temporary array for each account. Let me define it ARR new array list. Okay. And ARR, first I will add the name of account name, right? How I will get that name? I have already, I have, that's why I'm storing the index, right? So just get what I get, entry dot get key, which is the index value of an account, dot get, which is the give the first value of that account, which is the name, right? And further I just need to string email, and I just need to do entry dot get value, correct? So this will give us all the emails, isn't? That's why I'm storing your email. So just add it here, dot add email, correct? And last, just add the account, which is the ARR, and it's returned. If you see, the code is a little bit lengthy, but if you follow the pattern and the algorithm, how you need to apply the algorithm, then it will be quite easy. Okay, so let me just run it for the, oops, yeah. So that's the string. They're the same things. String email is the string type. Uh, this is the expected it Alice listing it. Okay, let me see where I am getting things wrong. Okay, so let me just find out. I am doing the parent of P to U, correct? If rank is higher. If his rank is lower, then parent of U to parent B, correct? Either, then I am making this one. So this is correct. And let me see where what I am doing here. For each account, I am just merging its email. I'm checking just its email, right? For starting from one, and I am checking its, if it not present, then put the email with its index, account index, otherwise for index, and get merged with the union. Okay, so let me check with its starting from I to -1, then I am finding out its parents. I get the account. For each account, I am start with the merge. Let me see for entry set what I am doing. I am doing first, I am entering its name, correct? And for each value, I am just iterating one by one and adding into a hash set, a tree set. And in last, it I am returning it, right? So let me see where it, okay. Okay, so I think this is where I get things wrong. After defining parents, I need to initialize it, right? So that I forgot it. That's the basic of DSU. So for initially each index pointing to itself means for each index parent itself, right? Initially pointing to itself, right? So I just require to do that. So that's why DSU were not working. Okay, so for sample test case, it got accepted. Let's submit it for the all test cases. I hope, yeah, so that is accepted. So if you see, this is the interesting one, DSU problem. I will say you must try first yourself, then you can get a hints from here. But if you read the problem statement carefully, you can try it in first attempt so that you get the confidence. Okay, so I will solve another like last problem for this topics in upcoming video, which will be the really interesting one. So I say you must subscribe if you haven't subscribed my channel, so that you don't get any miss you don't get, miss any notification. Okay, so just like and subscribe. uh, okay, so that's it. Happy coding.